Have you ever wondered what it's like to explore the beautiful Petra? Picture yourself at the entrance of a narrow serpentine sandstone canyon, known as the Seek. The Seek, draped in the hues of morning sunlight, creates a unique spectacle of natural beauty. The golden rays casting long shadows on the rugged path, illuminating the way, teasing at the grandeur that lies ahead. The Seek is more than just a path. It's the gateway to history, a time portal that transports you 2,000 years back into a world brimming with ancient cultures and civilizations. Imagine the feeling of excitement, the anticipation, the thrill that wells up in your heart as you embark on this journey into the heart of an ancient city, an expedition into the annals of time. The soft whispering winds pass on tales of the past, tales of the Nabateans, tales of the once thriving city they called Petra. A city of rose-colored monuments, a city built by the craft and imagination of a civilization long gone, a city often referred to as the Rose City. The Rose City, Petra, is a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. A marvel of architectural brilliance, it was carved into the vibrant pink sandstone cliff faces of southern Jordan over 2,000 years ago. It stands as an enduring symbol of the grandeur of the Nabatean civilization. A civilization that challenged the norms and dared to build a city in the heart of the desert. As you walk through the Seek, the suspense builds with every step. The sandstone cliffs towering on either side, the twisted path leading forward, the promise of a sight unseen, all combine to make your heart race with excitement. You cannot help but marvel at the sheer audacity of the people who undertook this monumental task. The people who transformed a barren desert into a thriving city. With each twist and turn of the Seek, the anticipation heightens. The sandstone walls echo with the whispers of the past, with the stories of the Nabateans, with the legends of Petra. Every corner hides a new mystery. Every step brings you closer to the heart of the ancient city. You can feel the air thickening with history, with awe, with reverence. Just when you least expect it, the Seek opens up, revealing the first glimpse of the Treasury, the Al-Khazni. A sight so awe-inspiring it's hard to believe it's real. An intricate facade carved directly out of the solid rock stands defiantly against time and nature. It towers 40 meters high, adorned with figures and friezes that have withstood the test of time. The Treasury Al-Khazni is a tribute to the skill and vision of the Nabateans, a work of art that has remained untouched by time. And then almost unexpectedly, you catch your first glimpse of the Treasury, or Al-Khazni. It's an awe-inspiring sight. The intricate facade, carved out of the solid rock, stands 40 meters high, adorned with figures and friezes that have withstood the test of time. Moving deeper into the city, you come across the royal tombs. Here, the ancient kings of the Nabatean Empire were laid to rest. The urn tomb, the silk tomb, the Corinthian tomb, each more majestic than the last, overlook the city, silent guardians of a bygone era. Next, a climb up 850 steps takes you to the Monastery, or Ad-Deir. Secluded high in the mountains, it is a place of tranquility and beauty. The monastery, much larger than the Treasury, is a sight to behold. Its simple yet grand architecture is a stark contrast to the rugged mountainous terrain. The journey through Petra is truly a walk through history. From the Seek to the Treasury, the royal tombs to the monastery, each landmark tells a story. A story of a civilization that thrived in the harsh desert, of a city that was once a bustling trade hub, of a people whose legacy is etched into the very rocks of Petra. To summarize, Petra is not just a collection of ancient buildings. It's a living, breathing testament to human resilience and ingenuity. The Seek, the Treasury, the royal tombs, and the monastery, each landmark is a chapter in the story of Petra, a story that continues to captivate and inspire thousands of years after it was first written.